upsetting, actually. Really upsetting.
Hey guys, sorry about that. Trying to get into to see the NTDM, but I don't know when's gonna happen. I think for now I'm just going to make some videos for you guys, play speedrun, and I'm going to be playing Murder Mystery, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Give me a sec. Let me just 1 second. 1 second. If you hear music in the background, that is my mom. She's cleaning up the house, and she usually plays music in the background. But I'm going to play Murder Mystery, so make sure you stay tuned for that. So yeah, I've just been trying to find Dan TDM. Oh, so I'm gonna stop there. Okay, so do you look at the just look at the chat. Sorry, I just look at the chat. I'm sorry, but just look at the chat. Look at it. I need him to notice me. How many people know Dan? He's my fave. I'm going to yeah, if you didn't know, Dan, he's making everyone go on Roblox, and it's kind of crashing the servers. So hopefully it won't crash on me. I was going to look for Dan, but you know what? No, I'm not going to do that. I am going to... Wait. Oh my god, for the mother freaking last time, he's not here. Okay. I want to see what that is. Okay, so I'm going to show you around my place because I am going to be making a series on Meep City, Flood Escape, and I forgot they added. Ooh! Oh, this is nice. This is real nice. Silver shovel. Oh, I really want those roses. Let's plant a tulip. Are you sure? A lily of the alley for 5 points. Yeah, let's plant a lily for the alley. Congrats on your first sprout. Be sure to give your sprout plenty of water. Oh geez, I'm sorry guys. I'm just hardcore lagging right now. This is horrible. Okay, oh, my house has never been this close. I need to see what's going on. I'm sorry, I just can't look away. No, he's playing no free. Yeah, he's playing Starball. Okay, he's not here. He's in the wrong thing. Dan, ice cream. I love you, Dan. Dan's not in this game. Server. Ew, Dan is trash. Great grammar, dude. Whoever said that, shout out to him. I can't say his name. Okay. I'm sure you saw a little Ocean. He is my... Oh! Ocean! You have mythical powers! Oh my god! You have mythical powers! You're a mate. You're the best meep. Did you guys see that? He was through the wall. Ocean has mythical powers. Okay. So here's my little living room area. I have like my little seating area, TV, and I like the kitchen. Like I'm gonna get 2 more counters, and I'm gonna add them right here. So I'm looking forward to that. I have my bedroom over here also, and once I was playing Roblox with my friend, and she and we were sharing this house because it's really big. So this is kind of like the guest room, and then there's my room, and then that's leading into. I was gonna have this be a bathroom, but then I thought this has way too much room to be a bathroom, so I made it a guest room. Yeah, I'm really happy with how the kitchen turned out. Like, I love the counter color. I'm happy with how that turned out. And I'm gonna go to the shop because I don't know if they got like new wallpapers, because that's what. Oh, this is my little gaming area where I do all my YouTube stuff. I'm gonna head to the shop. Yeah, to the shop. I might not have enough money. I don't know. Oh my god, did you see that? Did you guys? Oh my god. I can't look away from the chat. Okay. Okay, I was gonna say I'm hardcore lagging, but I think everyone is. Just because Dan is on and he's doing a live stream, everyone wants to be in his video. So they're all just go, go, go. Wait, wallpaper isn't. Nothing new. Kitchen, nothing new. Living room. Ooh, okay. Don't have enough for that. Oh, they got a new PC. Josh mods, bro. Sorry for that. My PC is running out of battery. I'm using a laptop. What is this? Okay. Bathroom. That's what I want to see. Did they add any? No. I was hoping like they'd add like a shower or something, because I was going to that little room where my meep sleeps. I was gonna turn that into the bathroom, but they haven't added anything. Okay, dude. Okay. Oh, no, I don't think he's okay. Oh, that's sad. Oh my god, the chat is going insane. Oh my god. Wallpaper? Wallpaper is not new. Paint? Nah. Blueprints? Nah. Flooring. No, I have the flint carpet. No. Okay. Let's go and play some meatball. Shut up. It is not here. Okay, this is just. Oh my god. Look at this. This is insane! Oh my god! Let's go and play, some Starball. So we can get more coins. Mind you, I did have, when I first played Starball, I had loads of coins. It's not here. When I first played Starball, I had loads of coins, but I spent that on a State Tire 3. So now I don't have as many. Just disappeared. Oh my god! Oh my god. Did you guys... Ocean. You were invisible. You were only eyes. Ocean, that was amazing. That was amazing. Okay. And for some reason, the only way I could record is if I have YouTube going for some reason. Yeah, see, I've won the game, but I still like just to. My favorite, like the best looking, I think was probably Candyland. That was the best looking. How did I not get off these stairs? But yeah, my favorite was probably the Ice World, the North Pole. That's what it was, the North Pole. Sorry, I'm speaking in such a low voice. It's just. Whoa, Jesus, I failed this. I failed. Ow, ay. No. Oh, jeez, maybe you. Jesus Christ. Look, even in Meatball, people are talking about Dan. It was Dan TDM because he is in direct. No, I'm on Candyland. Duh, we all are. Yeah, the best looking was probably Candyland. Like, in my opinion, it was the best looking. There you go. Yeah, in my opinion, anyways, it was the best looking. But yeah, my favorite was probably, whoa! Whoa, oh jeez, I just missed that. Yeah, sorry if I don't post videos, like, kind of daily, but it's just, I have to balance YouTube life with my school life, and it's hard. Here we go, we're going up. We're going up, I want the world to know. Woo! Oh jeez, no. I met him. Whoa! On this game. He's in town for only like a minute. Okay. Let's go back to. Let's return to Meep City. Alright. Okay. So, as I said, the chat is going wild. Absolutely wild. Okay, guys. I think this is gonna be it for this. I'm going to make a video straight after this one for whatchamacallit, Murder Mystery 2. I hope you guys are there to wait. I hope you guys will be there. What? I mean, what I'm trying to say is, if you have any other suggestions for games, please leave them in the comment section down below. That's it for me. See you, dudes.